everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? I got a great video for you to really completely transform your Shopify order confirmation page. And that's what you're looking at on the screen right now. This is just a sample Shopify order confirmation page. This is what your customers see after they complete the purchase. And I'm going to show you how to completely customize this, how to make this page a money-making asset for you, and how to do it super easy. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you a really powerful app, and it's going to completely transform this checkout confirmation page. So let's do it right now. So this is the ReConvert upsell and cross-sell app, and you see it's got a perfect 5 out of 5 star review on over 700 reviews. This app just simply does a really great job at exactly what I'm going to show you right now, and it's really all about customizing your order confirmation page, that order status page that I just showed you. And as you see here, simple and fully customizable. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. It's incredibly easy to set this up. It's a simple Shopify app with a really great back end, and it's got a nice visual editor. I'll show you all this, but incredibly easy to use. And it's going to give you, the big feature, one of many big features, is going to give you that one-click upsell and cross-sell, right? It's that functionality that Shopify doesn't give you out of the box. So we need to add that on there. It's really going to give us that instant revenue boost, really allow us to have those high converting upsells and cross sells, and have that one-click functionality that we always want. But that's just really scratching the surface. The really cool part, and again, I'll show you this over the shoulder, there's so many different widgets and add-ons that we can kind of add to our order confirmation page. That order status page is going to be way more than just, congratulating the customer for making the order and giving them an order number and a confirmation, right? We're going to be able to do things like collect information, run surveys, of course, upsell, offer exclusive discounts, cross-sell things, track everything. There's a lot of great analytics and stats. You can even ask for a customer's birthday, for example. You can feed that information into something like an email autoresponder and send them something automatically on their birthday. I mean, the list goes on. I'm going to show you all these different cool strategies, but again, 5 out of 5 star review, and you get a 30-day free trial. You can come over, and the link is directly below this video. Make sure you check out ReConvert. Take a look at everything they can do. I'm going to show you some of the great stuff. They have a ton of customization in terms of these thank you pages, and you can create different variations. You can create all these different headers. They integrate with a bunch of different apps as well that you might already be using, like 17 Track, SMS Bump, Looks, Stamped, Judge Me. So a lot of great things in here. Let's go over the shoulder, and I'll show you exactly how I'm using ReConvert in one of my stores. What you're looking at is the back end of ReConvert inside of your Shopify store. So once you install that app, again, it's free to install. You get a 30-day free trial. You're going to be able to be sent into the ReConvert app, and you're going to be brought into your templates page, where we're basically going to be able to create different thank you pages. Now, that was just a demo dashboard. Here's one of my store dashboards. You see ReConvert just absolutely crushing it. You get a full suite of analytics. You can see exactly what's going on. But as you can see from some of the massive numbers here, really doing its job and doing it well. And I have one right here. I'm going to show you. You could either click create new template. I'm going to click customize because I already have one built, and I'm going to really just show you all the different things that you can do inside of here. And what you see immediately is going to load is basically, if you're familiar with editing a Shopify theme, it's going to really give you that same look and feel. You have a live editor over here, and then you have different sections over here. And you have general settings, you have individual location settings. You see, most importantly, left area and right area. So you see that we have our traditional things over here, our order confirmation, thank you, customer information, blah, blah, blah. But now in the left area, we've added a couple of new tools. We added these widgets here. And this content widget right here is, of course, the product upsell. And you see over here, this is a little upsell that I have going on, basically upselling done for you ad targeting for an upsell, one of the highest converting upsells that I have. And you show this directly on the thank you page here. It's a very high attention page. Everyone is looking. They want to obviously see their total. They want to see the confirmation. They want to see the shipping and the estimated time and all that stuff. So they're going to be paying attention to this page. So it makes sense. We have our nice one-click upsell button right here, and this is super powerful. Obviously, you can fully configure this, right? It says over here under settings for product upsell, what is going to be the upsell that you set. We're going to do specific product, but you see all these other great options as well. You could automatically upsell the most expensive product, personalized recommendations, cheapest product, Shopify's product recommendations, and all these other different ways to basically showcase products automatically. I decided to just show one that I choose. So, like I said, it's my highest converting upsell, so I chose that here. But you could choose any different number of sections. Of course, you can customize the exact text that you see. is the actual headline that we put over here, all the different options for quantity picker, showing the vendor, showing the variants, all that great stuff. It also integrates with a lot of different popular review apps. You could add a discount on top of that. You have full control over how that looks, and that's just one of the widgets over here. I want to show you real quick. If you click Add Section, these are all the different widgets or content blocks that you could add. Birthday Collector widget is actually the one that I have right over here. We literally ask them to submit their birthday. And what can you do with that? Well, you could send them a gift on their birthday. You could send them an exclusive discount. You could do email marketing around it. A lot of different things, and obviously a very easy ask of them since you're putting it on this high attention page, the order status, the thank you confirmation page. So that's powerful. But you see all these other blocks here. Calls to action, showing the collections, putting in your own HTML code, offering a discount, just putting in basically more text, image with text, putting in a list of links, doing surveying, which is super powerful, product recommendations, which I'm going to show you up here, product upsell, which you already see right here, reorder. This is literally allowing the customer to order another of their product. This is great for consumables or something that might be able to be purchased monthly. Social media, follow button, social media links, social sharing, one-click sharing, enabling you to add video. So you can do all of that. Basically, all of these different widgets are configurable. And let's say you wanted to add video, for example, right? You literally just press add, and it's going to be added into the section right over here. And of course, you could rearrange them. You could put them wherever you want. You could embed your video from YouTube or Vimeo. You could, of course, delete the section if you don't want to have that over there. And then you have the save. So it's all a visual editor, super easy to configure. We're coming over the right area now. You see I have the product recommendation section, and you have full control, right? You could show what collection to show, or you can go through again some of the other different recommendation methods that are available in here. You have 5 different methods on this one. You could exclude products if you don't want. You could, of course, select the collection. You could hide products that are in the original order, which is pretty cool. Let's say they already are going to buy, or they just bought the 11 high-end template pack. I don't want to show them that again since they already bought it. It will hide it automatically. You could put in everything from, you see a little line over here, so I put a little divider line. I put the text here, I edited the size of the text. All in here, very easy to do. You can select how many products, select the arrow color for scrolling through. I mean, literally everything is available here. Super easy to do. Again, all integrations with reviews and discounts. It's just a really great tool in terms of being able to customize your order status page and really make some money from it. And again, you could add any of those sections that we mentioned over here. Another cool thing that you could do over here under the general sections, you come over here and have a nice pop-up, and I'll show you how I configured that. Ecom Libraries one-time offer. You could link to another site. You could fully control the pop-up delay, so it's going to pop up after 5 seconds of looking at the page. It's going to be a 35-minute duration. You see here it's already counting down. We could change the color. It's literally just as easy as moving the color selector around. All right, super easy. We could add discounts on that as well. We could set call to action links. We have full control over that, and that's called the pop-up with timer section over here, and definitely a real powerful one for sure. And we really took a basic confirmation page and we completely turned it on its head. Right? We added all of this functionality. So again, here is that default basic Shopify order confirmation, order status page, and here is a great example of one with our full customization, our full setup using the ReConvert app. And I have some of the customer's personal information blurred out here. But you see the sections that we have, our product recommendations, our one-click upsell button, our birthday collection method. And this is a really powerful example of using the ReConvert tool to make sure that you take full advantage of your thank you page. So make sure you take a look at the link directly below this video. This is really just scratching the surface on what you can do here. I highly recommend using ReConvert. Check out the link below, and I hope this helps you make some money.